Look at the smart lock. Just draw your fingers on the screen to turn it on. Its advanced algorithm protects your code to be guessed. The digits rotates every time a code is entered. Its advanced 3D fingerprint sensor can store up to 99 fingerprints and do need physical fingers, preventing the use of leftover or replicated prints. You can also control it with the application. With the app, you can manage the in and out even if you are not there. It supports offline access code, allowing guests with a unique access code, which automatically reverts after every preset duration. Just like traditional locks, you can also open this smart lock with a physical key. This 8 pieces wireless home security system is made up of sensors, sirens, smart locks, and cameras that blend seamlessly into any style and size of home. The entry sensors protects windows, doors, and cabinets and alerts you when someone tries to enter. It's customizable and can send secret alerts so you are quietly alerted without sounding an alarm. Safety alarm. Look at this beautiful sleek design alarm. Just pull the pin and it will start a loud siren. It is used for safety of women and cats, for hiking and camping, for animals repelling, rescue signal and intruder alerts. With a bright strobe light. The bright strobe light can be used as a torch. It has a USB rechargeable battery. Magnetic door alarm. This is the automatic alarm device to install in window or doors. It works on magnetic field. A magnetic field is made between the two of its parts. When someone opens the door, the magnetic field breaks and starts a loud alarm siren. It also has a double beep setting on the opening of the door. It requires just 4 LR44 batteries. This is the wireless doorbell with built-in camera and low power consumption. Works with Wi-Fi. It has smarter human detection and instant message alerts. It has two-way audio and voice message. It also supports night vision with 145-degree wider view and 33 feet long. It keeps your privacy with advanced protection.